In this video, I'll show you how to use N8n and the new VO3 API from Google to generate high-quality videos with full control over prompts, costs, and publishing. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it today. This automation is available in both the free and paid Automation Tribe communities. Please go, after you register to one of the communities, to the Classroom section. Open the page where this workflow is available and download it. Then go to N8n, create a new workflow, click on the three small dots in the top right corner, and choose Import from File. Immediately, you will see the workflow exactly as I built it. In this tutorial, I won't go into every detail of how the workflow is built because it's extremely easy to download it directly from the classroom and explore it yourself. You'll also be able to see the structure and the prompts inside. Later in the tutorial, I will show you a demo video, and we'll also talk about the cost of generating a single 8-second video. At the end, I'd love to hear your opinion about that, so feel free to leave a comment. After you've imported the workflow, the next step is to copy the Airtable base. Click the link provided in the classroom and make a copy in your own Airtable account. Then, for each Airtable node inside the workflow, you'll need to modify and connect it to your own Airtable base. Next, go to fal.ai and create an account. Once inside your dashboard, go to API Keys and click the purple Add Key button. Choose a name and click Create Key. Now go back to your N8n workflow and look for the two HTTP request nodes that connect to fal.ai. You'll see my API key inside, but that key is now disabled. Don't try to use it. You'll just waste time. Replace my key with your own and paste it into both HTTP nodes. One is used to generate the video. The other is used to retrieve the video status and link. Now let me show you how this works. This automation is not 100% automatic, and that's intentional, because generating videos with VO3 is expensive. Let me show you the current pricing. For one single 8-second video, the cost is $6. In my opinion, that's very expensive. But you'll see that the quality of the result is impressive. That's why I've structured this workflow in 3 separate steps. You can automate each part if you want, but I recommend reviewing each step manually to avoid wasting money on bad prompts. Step 1. Generate prompt. Go to your Airtable base and create a new row. In the video idea column, write your idea. In the step column, choose 1, generate prompt. Leave the other columns as they are. Those are the default values. Now, go to N8n and click Execute Workflow. This will only generate the prompt. You'll see the result inside Airtable. Take your time and review the prompt. If it's not what you expected, you can either edit the prompt directly in Airtable, or go back to N8n and run the workflow again. It will regenerate a new prompt for the same idea. You can tweak and refine the prompt until it looks right to you. Step 2. Generate video. Once you're happy with the prompt, go back to Airtable and change the step column to Generate Video. Then run the N8n workflow again. This will send the prompt to fal.ai and generate the actual video. In my case, I won't run it again now because I already generated the demo video earlier. Feel free to watch it to see the final result.
Merry Christmas to all the amazing members of Automation Tribe.
This method gives you full control over what gets generated and published and helps you avoid wasting money on weak prompts or bad outputs. Let me know in the comments if you think $6 is worth it for an 8-second video. And let's discuss whether a fully automated version should be built once the price becomes more affordable. The next step, once you're happy with your video, is to promote it on social media. To do that, simply sign up for Blotato using my affiliate link. If you use my link, I really appreciate the support. It helps me keep creating and sharing these automations for free. I won't go into full detail about how this part of the automation works. It's very simple. When you're satisfied with the video, Go to Airtable and change the step column to 3 posts to social. Then return to N8n and click Execute Workflow. In just a few seconds, your video will be automatically published to all your connected social media accounts. This automation isn't just for personal projects. It's powerful for business too. If you're in B2B, you can create customized greeting videos. Add a client's name directly into the prompt, and the video will actually say their name. It's great for outreach or thank you messages. You can even use it to create personalized mini commercials, tailored to each product, service, or client segment. If you liked this automation, I'd love to see you in one of the communities, whether it's the free or paid version of Automation Tribe. Feel free to leave a comment under the video and let me know what kind of automations you'd like to see next. I'll keep generating new ideas, new workflows, and I'll continue releasing powerful tools like this.